come to Chennai and joined the Chennai Fertility Center as a trainee for a period of 1 month. And the training has been carried forth under the guidance of Dr. Vignesh. So right from day one, Sir has given me proper guidance. So it started with semen analysis. So far at the end of the training, I have almost completed the analysis of 200 plus semen samples. And going forth to the oocyte, we worked with the animal oocytes. So I have learned to identify oocytes properly, picking up, and furthermore processing denutation, vitrification. So I have almost worked with 200 plus oocytes, and also I have had the opportunity to work with ICSI. Provided here in this center, they are providing 2 ICSI machines. That is, one is RI and the other one is Nashiki. So I have had the opportunity to work with both of the machines, and Sir has thoroughly showed me right from the basic, that is the alignment of the machine properly and working, to the last step of the procedure, that is injection. So even in injection, I have had the opportunity to carry the process for almost 8 plus injections. So I have performed ICSI with multiple number of oocytes, carried forward with injection procedure as well. So lastly, I would like to thank Dr. Vignesh for his constant guidance and also for his patience towards us trainee, and also Dr. Thomas for providing this opportunity to have had the guidance and privilege of learning everything about embryology. Thank you.